Famous singers die on average 4 years earlier than non-celebrities, a new study has found. According to data, famous singers survived until they were 75, while less famous singers survived until they were 79. It suggests that the effects of fame are on a par with certain other health risks directly after the attainment of fame. The impact of unique psychosocial stress caused by intense public scrutiny, performance pressure and loss of privacy are believed to be major contributors. The study retrospectively compared the risk of death in 648 singers, half of whom had achieved celebrity status and half of whom had not. 84% of the singers were males with an average birth year of 1949, and 61% of all singers analysed were from North America, with the remainder hailing from Europe and the UK. The majority of singers are from the rock music genre, followed by a smaller number in R&B and in rap. Irish legends Sinéad O'Connor, Lynott and Shane MacGowan were among the singers included in the study. The researchers concluded the existence of what they termed an elevated risk of early average death after the point of becoming famous compared to non-celebrities. The risk is likened to other health risks such as occasional smoking, which increases death risk by 34%. However, the researchers were keen to stress that this study was observational in nature and no concrete cause and effect relationship can be drawn.